Welcome to our tutorial about navigating MyTrent. MyTrent is your student portal, which is primarily used to store, access, and update important information about your education. To log into MyTrent, begin on the Trent University homepage. In the top right corner, click on the MyTrent link. This will lead you to another page where you will select Login. You will then be prompted to input your username and password to access MyTrent. After completing these steps, you will be taken to your MyTrent homepage. Recent news, upcoming events, and personalized notifications can be conveniently viewed on your MyTrent homepage. From here, you can also access everything else that MyTrent has to offer. Several tabs appear in the top right-hand corner. These are Register, Academics, Finances, Services, and Support. You can also log out of your account here. Clicking on any of these menu items will take you to a page with icons related to the tab you've chosen. You can scroll through all of them or select one of the subcategories listed along the left side of the screen, which will narrow your search. You can also use keywords to search for a particular icon within a tab, or you can do so generally in the main search bar in the top right corner. In the Register tab, you can access everything you need to register in courses. The academic calendar is an important document to review as it contains important dates and deadlines for students, academic policies, financial aid information, as well as program and degree requirements. For more information, be sure to view our tutorial on navigating the academic calendar. The academic timetable is another essential tool in the course registration process, as it outlines which courses will be offered during the academic year and when they will be scheduled. Students are encouraged to make use of the academic timetable when they are planning their schedule for the year and to use it in conjunction with the planning feature of self-service. We've created a video tutorial on the academic timetable and several other videos on self-service for more support. There are several other buttons in this section that can help you through the course selection and registration process. If you aren't sure what courses to take, a good place to start is by clicking the Choosing Your Courses button, which takes you to the course selection section of the academic advising website. On this page, you will find important information that can help guide you through your course selection. If you require a verification of enrollment form, it can be ordered here. In the Academics tab, you can access your academic record, which lists your final grades in each completed course, as well as your academic standing. You can also easily view your class schedule and access to the exam schedule. In addition, an icon leading you to the Blackboard learning system is included, which is where instructors will post course information once classes begin. Important forms such as the Change of Major form can also be found within the Academics tab. The Syllabus Catalog is a helpful resource as it lists most past and current course syllabi. It is a great place to check if you're looking for more information about the content of a particular course. The Self-Service button is your portal to the course registration system, and most of your financial account information lives there too. Under the Finances tab, you can find the OSAP Change of Information and Summer Extension forms. You can also view your account statement, which outlines all fees that you have to pay and that are outstanding, and make a payment. Tax forms are made available in February and can be found here as well. Self-service contains even more financial information. You can find the Self-Service button in the Academics tab. Within the Services tab, you can find a form to report a positive COVID-19 test. Here is also where you submit your Trent U photo for your student ID if you choose to take your own instead of having your photo taken on campus. You can change your password from here by clicking on Password Change. Trent also offers 5 student copies of Microsoft Office, which can be downloaded by clicking on the Microsoft Student Advantage icon. Your Trent email is accessible from this tab as well, which is where all of your Trent-related emails will be sent. Finally, in the Support tab, you will find information that will help you connect to just about everyone you may need during your time at Trent. Under Academic Support, you can book appointments with academic advisors to aid you in making important academic decisions such as choosing your courses and exploring program options here. A link to booking academic skills appointments can be found within this tab if you're looking to chat with someone to learn valuable writing and study strategies. Within Career Space, You can find the option to book appointments or review resources to help you in building your resume, preparing for interviews, learning about different career options, and more. In addition, a student and alumni job board is available, where job openings are regularly posted. Under College Life, you will find the option to change your college affiliation. You can also find a variety of health and wellness services and resources in this section. Please take some time to look through some of the other icons not explained in this tutorial, as you will find yourself needing many of these at some point or another. One other small but convenient feature about MyTrent is that you are able to drag and drop regularly used icons into a separate menu that will always appear at the bottom of your screen. I have chosen to keep access to my email, class schedule, and Blackboard here. This concludes our video about using MyTrent. Be sure to watch our other video tutorials on navigating the academic calendar, booking an academic advising appointment, and walking you through the course registration process.